Utah's Division of Child and Family Services is tasked with keeping children in difficult situations safe.
Yeah, but a Utah man says a report DCFS filed regarding his family is riddled with inaccuracies. That's why he reached out to the KSL Investigators.
If this is happening to us, who else could it be happening to?
It's that unanswered question that pushed Kevin Leary to call the KSL Investigators.
Family court cases are super stressful.
Leary's role as stepdad in a difficult family court dispute became even more stressful when he made a troubling discovery using a public records request to the Utah Division of Child and Family Services.
You expect a level of trust when you're dealing with them.
But he says details in this case report from 2021 just don't add up. For example, a note in the report says on March 23rd, a caseworker met face-to-face with a child in an office at the school they attend. Leary says that's impossible because the student had left school 2 hours earlier that day with a parent. This automatic email notification from the school confirms. The report also lists an April 9th interview with the child's sibling, saying the caseworker met face-to-face with that student in an office at the same school. The problem?
He has never gone to that school.
No.
The KSL investigators checked with the school district and confirmed that child has never been enrolled as a student there. Then there's a 10-minute phone call the caseworker logged with Leary's wife at 5:20 p.m. on May 6th. But he says that call didn't happen. They were together preparing to board a plane. Here's their flight itinerary. And he says these records from their phone company show no such call.
We can't get any headway in the family court system when you have falsified records that are being used in that same system.
We reached out to DCFS about all the inconsistencies in this report. They wouldn't do an on-camera interview, but a spokesperson told us the caseworker responsible for this report was let go last year after more than 9 years with the agency. But the dismissal was not related to this case. DCFS said this case file has since been updated, but they are not conducting an audit of the other cases that caseworker handled.
It's astounding, really.
We shared the problems in that report with Ronnie Bateman, chair of the Stop Abuse Campaign's Utah chapter. She says DCFS provides a critical service. Kids and parents are counting on the agency to get it right, and the courts rely on DCFS professionals to make recommendations.
If they can't get accurate information, then really dangerous decisions about custody and things like that get made.
She says the agency should check to see if this happened to anyone else.
When something this egregious happens, you have to make sure that there weren't others.
This is something that could affect multiple families, multiple children. And for them to not do anything, what does that say about that agency?
DCFS sent us a statement outlining steps parents can take if they're having an issue with a caseworker, and we've posted that online. One option is to contact the Office of Child Protection Ombudsman. Leary tells us he did that. He also contacted police. We've confirmed tonight with the Pleasant Grove City prosecutor that the caseworker, Michelle Harper, is charged with falsification or alteration of a government record. She has a court date set for later this month. Mike and Dini.